Welcome to ChatMaster, your ultimate destination for mastering English. Whether you're just starting out at level A1 or you're an advanced learner at level B2, we've got everything you need to succeed. At ChatMaster, we provide comprehensive English learning content, including podcasts. Our podcasts are not only interesting, but also understandable for learners at any level. Listen and learn wherever you are. English conversations, tailored to each level, A1, A2, B1, and B2. Our conversation practice sessions will help you feel confident speaking English in real-life situations. Engaging stories. Dive into captivating stories crafted for each level, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Speaking practice. Improve your fluency and pronunciation with our specially designed speaking practice sections for every level. Join us at ChatMaster and embark on an exciting journey to English fluency. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Let's learn English together and reach new heights.